right, I know y'all ate salmon before, but you ain't never ate nothing like this. This is gonna be braided salmon. Yes, braided. Like the women braid their hair, that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna show you how to do it, show you how to cook it, put a lot of spices on it. We got some leftover red beans and rice over here. We gonna eat good tonight. All right, y'all, we're gonna make a glaze or just a, I don't know if you want to call it a glaze. It's just something I put on top of my fish. It's good. Anywhere you start with a stick of butter, you know it gotta be good when you got a stick of butter. And we're gonna get some of this garlic that's already chopped up and ready to go. Some people call it garlic, but I don't care. It's good. Any way you look at it, it's good. Get it how you can get it. Put it on there. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of this all-purpose seasoning on here. I also got some good old sweet honey gonna put in here. Ooh, yeah. Y'all, this is gonna be super good. All right, got my butter, my garlic, my honey, a little seasoning on here. We're gonna throw it right here and let it start melting. Come back. We're gonna undo this, see what we got in here, y'all. Oh my goodness. Is that pretty or what, y'all? Pretty, pretty, pretty. If you're getting salmon or any kind of fish, watch out for the bones. I don't know if y'all ever choked on a fish bone, but it ain't fun. Get on out here. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna take this and split this. My grandma and them used to use catfish. Right now we're gonna use this salmon because that's what we got. And my friend used to bring me this from Washington State up there. Let me pull this up just a little bit. Come on, buddy. Cut it some more. Cut it one more time. All right, y'all, we're gonna move this off. Wipe this down a little bit. I know it's ready, it's clean, we just used it. But we're gonna, watch this, y'all. Make it pretty. Y'all didn't know I could do this, huh? Just like braiding hair, y'all, nothing to it. Ain't that pretty? Y'all didn't know I had this in me, did you? It don't change the flavor or nothing, but it sure makes it look pretty, don't it? Get this open here, just a little bit of the all-purpose. Now I'm gonna put it light. I ain't gonna put a lot because we put a lot of seasoning on here. I might put none around in a little bit. Where we go? Got some crushed red pepper. Come on, get on in there. If you don't like this crushed red pepper, don't use it. The paprika is good though. This is gourmet kind, y'all. Watch it. Y'all smell the beans heating up back there. When we was a kid, we always fished. We did a lot of fishing. We still do a lot of fishing. Caught a lot of fish in my life. It's just something I love to eat. That's fresh fish, and this is looking pretty good, y'all. I'm gonna stir my little sauce up right here. This sauce here is smelling real good. Got it mixed up. All right, y'all. Fix to drop a little oil on here. Y'all, look at this. Sesame seed oil. Don't take a lot, takes a little. We're gonna spread that back and forth a little bit. Ooh. Now I'm gonna take 2 spatulas to pick this up. Slide it on here, slide it on here. All right, y'all. And what we're gonna do, gonna set it right here. Salmon takes a little, it cooks different because it's braided, it's all uneven and stuff. We're gonna turn it over in a minute, but right now we're gonna get a dome. Set a dome on this, let it be slow cooking. We ain't in no hurry. This is my hurricane dome. It's been up. We found this down the road after the hurricane hit, and I'm still using it. All right, y'all. We're gonna turn it over right now for the first time. We're gonna turn this a couple times. Don't it look pretty? Come over here and look at that. That's just, I kind of surprise my own self sometimes. Let me see if I can get under here. Put that dome back on here. Don't take much to cook fish. Let's get this going this side. Won't be long, we'll be plating this up. boy, y'all, my favorite part. Look here. Y'all come look at this. See how pretty it is. Ain't that pretty? Look how pretty it is. We got to pick this up somehow and get it on this thing without messing something up. Y'all didn't think I could do it, did you? Come on over here, sit down. We ain't through with this yet, though. That's beautiful, ain't it? We ain't through yet, though. Got to get our glaze put on here. I like to dump the glaze, let it sit a minute. Yeah, I'm getting my pliers. I guess the fancy's over with, huh? We're gonna dump a little of this glaze on here. See, I got the garlic on there, the honey butter. Oh, I got some leftover rice here, and I figured, heck, ain't no sense wasting it. We're gonna put it all right here. I'm gonna get them beans put on here. Red beans and rice is good just by itself, but when you got this fish with it, oh, you talk about good. Let me get me a fork and knife, and we're fixing to eat this up. You can't go wrong with this, red beans and rice. I'm gonna cut me a piece of this off and drag it over here. Actually, I'm gonna cut another piece right here, and I'm gonna get some of this glaze on it. Y'all, it's not quite as pretty as I wanted it to be, but I'll tell you what, it is good. If you cook something like this, fish and red beans and rice, you could feed 4 or 5 people, 6 people. Anyway, flies are showing up. We got to get this food inside to the family, and hey, we're gone. Later, taters.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man.